Okay, so we're coming back to the forces and motion simulation because we're going to test the second part of Newton's second law of motion. In the law, it states that the acceleration of an object is dependent on two variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. So we've already tested looking at the cart, and when we increase the force on the cart, how that has also increased the acceleration of the cart. So now we're going to look at what happens when we change the mass of the object that we're applying a force to, whether it's a push or pull. So when you go, we're not doing motion view, we're doing the acceleration view. You're going to need to click forces, values, masses, acceleration, and change the friction to none every single time you start a new step in your lab. So what we're going to be testing to make this similar but different from the last simulation is that we're going to be changing, instead of the amount of force, we're going to change the mass of the objects that we are applying the force to. So I want you to keep 100 Newton force at all times. That is our controlled variable, but we are changing our independent variable, which is the mass of the objects. So say I'm done testing. At this point, this would be 100 kilograms. I'm done testing this. I'm going to, again, reset and re-click all of the settings so that the settings are the same for each of our steps. And yeah, so you'll just be coming down here to find the objects listed in your procedures to create different masses for the object that we are applying the force to. So I want you to see when we increase the mass of the object, does it increase or decrease the acceleration of that object? You will see that here. It will tell you this specific amount right here, and I want you to write that down in your simulation procedure document. You have a table there, so you will write down for 50 kilograms, how much acceleration was it?